Welcome to your Activ8 system. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 hand and wrist system for therapy. Let's get started with setup. First, locate the battery and charging cable included with your system. Remove the battery from the garment pocket, ensuring it is unplugged from the garment. Then, plug it into the charger. Charging can take up to 8 hours. 4 illuminated lights indicate a full charge. Once fully charged, unplug the battery from the charger and insert it into the Activ8 system pocket with the logo facing out. Connect the battery to the system using the built-in USB cable inside the garment. The USB cable can be plugged into either port on the battery. Both work the same. Here's how to wear the OrthoCor Activ8 hand and wrist system for therapy. If you're having trouble putting the device on, try laying it flat on a table or other surface to make things easier. For wrist use, orient the device with the thumb hole positioned away from your body. Slide your hand through the elastic strap on the inside of the device and place your thumb through the hole. Gently pull the elastic adjustment strap until the device feels secure, being careful not to over-tighten. Close the outer flap and secure it in place with the hook and loop closure. For hand use, orient the device with the thumb hole positioned close to your body. Slide your fingers through the elastic strap and place your thumb through the hole. Gently pull the elastic adjustment strap until the device feels secure, being careful not to over-tighten. Close the outer flap and secure it in place with the hook and loop closure. Important: do not over-tighten the device. A secure but gentle fit helps protect delicate nerves and maintain circulation. If the device feels too tight or uncomfortable, loosen it slightly. When your therapy session is complete, gently remove the device from your body and disconnect the Activ8 battery from the system. If needed, charge the battery. A fully charged battery can last approximately 2 sessions before needing to be recharged.